guys, it's been a while. Namimiss ko na ang suotin si Arya natin. Ayan, merong baby blue, merong wow, kompletong pastel yellow natin kay Arya. Choco brown, wala na. Si midnight blue. Ayan, lavender, polka. Ayan, ubos na pa rin pala. Walang restock guys kay Arya natin. Ayan, flex ko na lang babe yung available colors kay ating Arya. Brown babe, color brown, brown, brown. Okay? Ayan babe, this is our color brown. Ayan girls, let's go habo-habo checkout na girls ha. Ayan, let's go habo-habo checkout na kasi guys, kung nagmamadali kayo sa orders nyo, now is the perfect time talaga. Ihabol nyo sa mga morning live talaga. Okay? And guys, yung ating lowest price sale, extended lang po yan for our New Year sale, okay? Kaya, yung Roma yan, no? Yes, babe. Basket number 1 natin. Basket number 1. Ayan, babe. Go, go, go. Haba-haba checkout na, guys. QC ako. Darating bagad. Babe, sa Miyaza. Darating bagad ng QC. Yes, babe. Pero 1 to 3 days, babe. 1 to 3 days na, babe. Okay? Baka babe. January 2 mo na siya ma-receive. Ayan, babe. Kasi hindi po wala pong problem sa shipment natin. Baka within today guys, ma-ship na yung orders nyo. Ayan, but yung courier talaga yung may problem guys. Sa courier na talaga yun. Depende na sa courier. Ayan. Sometimes, okay lang kala ko 1 week. Ay, hindi babe. Hindi naman siya aabot ng 1 week. Wala naman pong aabot ng 1 week guys. Unless, yung mga talaga, as in, sinabi namin pre-order. May mga naka-pre-order dyan, guys, pero hindi po talaga sila pre-order, okay? Ayan, nakalagay lang po talaga ng pre-order for safety, guys. Okay, baka kasi biglang i-cancel ni TikTok yung orders pag marami kaming parcel na hinahandle. Okay? Ayan, girls, let's go habo-habo check out na, guys! Ayan, check our yellow basket, guys. Check our yellow basket and see kung gaano ba kababa yung pa-sale natin ngayon, okay? And guys, malaki po yung pa-sale natin ngayon because of our New Year sale. Okay? Go, 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 girls. Let's go habo-habo check out, guys. Ayan, flex a baby blue for basket number 1. Okay, babe. Baby blue for our basket number 1. Wala pa tayong baby blue for basket number 1, babe. Ayan. Mas maganda yan suot mo. Yes, babe, yung basket number 1 talaga. Maganda din yung basket number 1 natin. And size for 32 boss and 24 waist. And babe, go extra small, babe. Ayan, extra small ka, babe. Choco brown. Si Choco brown natin, babe, para siyang burnt umber. Ganun yung color niya, okay? Ayan, kung meron kayong Camila Choco brown, close sila ni Camila Choco brown, okay? This is our Choco brown, babe. And here naman, babe, si ating color. And color black polka. And girls, wait lang girls ha, si ating black polka. Kunin lang natin and si white polka as well. Ayan, wait girls. Just comment down below girls kung meron kayong gustong pa-flex. Ha? Huwag kayo mahihiyang mag-comment down below. Ayan, girls, wait lang. Ayan, si black polka naman natin girls. This is our black polka. Again, plain po siya sa likod. And ayan, polka dots sa harap, okay? Kaya very nice, babe. Pwede din siyang i-reverse, okay? Ayan, ganyan, babe, yung ating, black polka, okay? Ayan, ito naman black polka natin, babe. Very nice pang outfit for New Year. Kaso lang, guys, kung around Rizal kayo. And girls, ito naman yung ating polka. Ayan, polka natin. We have here si ating color. Ayan. Wait lang guys, hindi kasi naayos nila yung pagkakahanger ni Arya natin. This is our, guys, ito yung color cream polka natin, which is very nice guys. Kasi yung niya, yung inner niya sa loob, kita-kita niyo talaga guys, na double line siya. Kasi, iba yung fabric niya sa loob, plain lang. Kaya feeling ko talaga guys, pwede siyang reversible. Ayun yung lagi ko sinasabi, pero hindi po talaga siya reversible guys ha. But you have the option lang guys. Kasi yung tahi namin sa loob guys, one thing about BSCO, very seamless din yung tahi niya sa likod, okay? Ayan, ganyan siya, babe. Kaya super nice pa rin. Pwede siyang reversible kasi magkaiba yung tela niya, guys. Okay? Polka here sa harap and plain color cream naman sa likod, okay? This is our color cream polka, guys. Cream polka, okay? And this is our color, guys? Midnight blue. Midnight blue. Guys, hindi siya royal blue, ha? Medyo nagbe-brighten lang siya sa talbog na camera. But this is a nice parang mas closer siya kay navy blue. Ayan, nice muted blue siya, okay? Ayan, eto naman girls, si ating po yung i-comment nyo kasi, ayan, nagdi-differ po siya. Sometimes mas nagmamatter yung waist natin and sometimes mas nagmamatter yung bust natin here sa item na to, okay? And sa ating mga bottoms, guys, hips naman po ang pinaka-need, okay? Ayan, babe, deal with shy. Go for medium, babe, if 36 bust. But what is your waistline, okay? What is your waistline, babe? Ayan, basket, si ating Arya, babe. Flex ko si ating Arya kung anong available na lang kay ating Arya. Kasi very, very limited na lang si Arya natin, guys. Ay, bakit parang ang dami? Biglang dumami.